In this lesson, you're going to learn about splitting and separating MIDI events into their own regions and channels. And this is really handy if you want to separate out the different parts of a drum kit, for example, or the different notes of a keyboard. So first of all, let's just grab a drum loop from the Apple Loops browser. The first thing to note is that if you have a few different regions, for example, maybe you have this drops out and then comes back in, we need to make sure this is all one region. So we're going to highlight everything, highlight the whole channel. You can do that just by selecting the channel and then hit Command J, and that's going to join them all together. We're then going to select the region and go to Edit, Separate MIDI Events by Note Pitch. And you can see now what it's done is it's put each part into its own region. So if we select a region and go into the piano browser, you can now see that the kick drum is in this channel. So let's rename this kick drum. Here we've got the snare. And finally here we have got the cymbal. So now we've got regions for each our individual parts. We can move them around, edit them, do whatever we want with them. And we can delete that original channel. Now what we might want to do is change the name of the regions. So let's go to Functions. And then we're going to go Name Regions by Track Name. And that's now going to change the region to kick drum. And we can just highlight all of these channels. And the shortcut is Option Shift N. And that's going to rename the regions to these. So nice and easy, we can now see exactly what we're working with. So really simple to separate out MIDI events into separate regions when you want to.